So one of the things that I wanted to share with you is, when we push things up to the cloud, you're going to, with the subscription with the Autodesk Docs, you can go and navigate to a folder. So if you double click on this, it's going straight into my my cloud, and you can see right here there's a folder called CAD file, and I can just upload my sheet, which I've already done so earlier. And this is what it looks like right here. So let me go ahead and close out of this dialog here. I'm gonna just go back in here. And so you can see that I have some markups that I kind of previously put up here. And this tool, notice it's using basically internet browser. It's really just internet browser that you use this tool with. You can just go and just make markups. It's basically the AutoCAD for web kind of piece here. But we can just do our markups. So let's say that I'm missing some furniture in this section here. I want to go ahead and put some markups here. Maybe make some changes to how it appears. I'm gonna go ahead and change the color here. Give it a little less of a maybe 2 points. There we go. And then when you're ready, you can actually duplicate, or you can go ahead and publish. Now, publishing doesn't necessarily says that, hey, let's push it down to AutoCAD. Basically, it just basically kind of finishes up the actual markup, if you will, on that particular piece. Now watch this. If I come up here to this 3 dots here within my Autodesk doc, there's sync to the markups to the AutoCAD. So when I click on this, it allows me to select who the user is. There'll be a whole list. Then here I can put comments, please review, markups, and update drawing. Now I didn't put any text or anything like that. I could have done that. Now I'm gonna come back into, into AutoCAD, and notifications usually come down from over here. If you click on this, you'll see here is the previous markups I have. So if I go ahead and say, let's go ahead and download these markups here, I can go ahead and import them. I can go ahead and click on them, and they will also show up on screen as well. And if we take a look, you can do a comparison and things like that. This particular trace, it looks like I did not have anything in there. So if I go ahead and close out of that and just go and review another trace. What I also like about this tool is that it gives you the sort of the responsibility, or it gives you sort of who did it, right? Who made these changes? So here's a trace, previous markup here, and you can see missing office furniture needs to be put into place here. And I have the ability to say, okay, where is it in the drawing? It kind of overlays this right in here. So I can see, okay, missing furniture over here as well. I can go and make those edits and change as needed the the drawing itself. So I can close out of this and say, all right, let me go and do my work, put in the furniture and put that up there, and then call it the day. Now, when I save the file, it will create a new version. Now you can see I'm at the version 6. This again works with that Autodesk Docs.